Okay, students, we are learning simple interest. The lesson is quite interesting, and I hope you have understood. Previous week, I have taken only one class, and there I have taught you about how to solve simple interest through few formula. So, master formula of this lesson is simple interest. Interest is equal to product of principal into rate into time divided by 100. Usually time is given in year and rate percent is given in per annum. If rate percent is not given in annum, then you have to find the time also accordingly. That is what I got. From that formula only we have derived a few formulas like R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T, and T is equal to SI into 100 by R into P, and similarly P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. That is what you have learned it, and amount is equal to the principal plus simple interest. Amount means if you are investing some money after a period of time with the given interest, you are getting whatever the total value, that is capital value plus the interest, that is called amount. Okay, now I have solved up to question number 6 and 7. Then I will take question number 8. Here it is said, the question is said to you that Samir borrowed 60,000 rupees from Rahim. That means principal amount is 60,000 rupees, and he clears the debt by returning 64,000. That means 64,000 became the amount that you have understood very nicely to Rahim. At the end of 12 months, the time is also given to you, that is 12 months. You have to convert into year, means 1 year. 12 months is equal to 1 year. Find the rate of interest charged by Rahim. So you have to find out R. So here it is given to you amount, here it is given to you principal. You need to find out simple interest. Already given to you is time. You need to find out rate. So you got principal, you got interest, you got time, you need to find out R. The things are very, very simple once you solve it. See, here the principal amount is of the Samir is 60,000. That is what he has borrowed from Rahim. Now amount he has paid to clear his debt is 64,000. The interest he paid, therefore 64,000 minus 60,000, which is equal to 4,000. Very simple ask. Now time taken is 12 months. 12 months is equal to 1 year, that you all know. So rate of interest he paid will be SI into 100 by P into T. So P into T. P is here, principal is equal to 60,000, and this. Then it will become 20 by 3. If you simplify this, this 2 0 will be cancelled with this 2. This 2 0 will be cancelled with this 2. Remain with 6. This will be 40. 42 is 20, and 22 is 40, and 3 2 is 6. 20 by 3 percentage is equal to 6 whole 2 by 3%. Very simple ask, isn't it? So then this way you just. I have taken question number 10b. The sums are very simple in this exercise. See, it is said to you 10b that find the rate of interest if a sum of money gets double in 8 years. Sum of money gets double. That means your principal amount become double. If you have invested 100 rupees, that will become 200 rupees in 8 years. Time period given to you is 8 years. So therefore, what is given to you, just see. You do not know how much money at the beginning it was, so you do not know the capital value or the principal value. Let the money be sum of money. At the beginning, the sum of money be rupees X, that is principal value be X. Okay, then according to question, amount will become double. As per the language of the question, the amount will become double in 8 years. No, so amount become 2x. If it is principal amount is X, definitely amount will become 2x. Therefore interest will become 2x minus x, which is equal to rupees X. That is very simple ask to you. Now you got principal rupees X and interest rupees X, and it is given to you the time is 8 years. So you need to find out the rate of interest. Rate of interest is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. So SI is rupees X into 100 by P is rupees X is 8. So these two will be rupees x and rupees x will be cancelled. It will remain with 100 by 8 per annum. Definitely percentage per annum because it is given in year. So every year rate of interest will be limit. So therefore it will be 100 by 8. 100 by 8, if you simplify, it will go with 4 times. 25 4s are and 4 2s are 25 by 2. 25 by 2% is equal to 12 whole 1 by 2%. That's things are very, very simple. Now I have taken another sum from page number 46 is question number 7. Question number 7 said to you a sum of rupees 7,000 amounts to rupees 8,260 in 3 years at a certain rate of interest. You do not know the rate of interest. Then what is the second condition given to you? In what time will 5,000 amount to 6,500 at the same rate of interest? So you need to find out first the rate of interest where the principal is given to you and amount is given to you and the time is given to 3 years. Let us proceed from that clue. See, at first principal given to you 7,000 and amount became 8,260. Therefore, definitely SI will become 8,260 minus 7,000, which is equal to 1,260. Got it? Now, SI you got, principal you got here. So, rate will become SI into 100. 100 is the formula, 100 into P, that is principal, into time is given to 3 years. So, this, if you simplify this, you find 6% per annum will be the rate percent. How? This 2 0 will be cancelled, this 0 also will be cancelled. This can divide with this and it will become 42. 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 7 can cancel 42 and it will become 6. 7 6 are 42. So 6% per annum is the rate percentage for that. In the same rate percent, you know, amount becomes 6,500 and principal was rupees 5,000. Therefore, definitely from this two you can find out SI. SI will be 6,500 minus 5,000, that is equal to 1,500. You know SI, you know principal, and you know rate percent. You can very well find out time. Time will become what? SI into 100. SI is this into 100 is the formula is 100 into, you know, principal into rate. Principal is 5,000 and rate is 6. If you simplify this, you will find 5. How come? I'll just simplify this 0. 2 0 will be cancelled. This 0 also will be cancelled. See, rupees cancel. 3 5s that will become 30. 30 6 will cancel that and 6 5 is 30. So 5 years. So it will take 5 years to make 5,000 to amount 6,500 at the same rate of interest. I think you have understood. The things are very simple. I will solve one more sum of this exercise and end simple interest. Hope you have understood the very simple ask for you. If you don't, then talk to me.